Hello, my name is Arturo, and display in this video I will present the you need to practice using LabVIEW to monitor and control manufacturing cell. First, we can see the manufacturing cell use this practice. The system uses sensor architecture, the dict, classify, and count the different pieces. Now, we can see the configuration using for communication between the control system and LabVIEW. The control system is an TIA portal. The variables allow LabVIEW to review information for the manufacturing process. Here we can the programming developed in LabVIEW. The program processes the signals from the manufacturing cell and display this information in graphical interface. Now we can the brochure cell batch control interface. The interface shows the counter for different type of pieces and total brochures. And this moment in the display is the programming in LabVIEW. And now is the display in LabVIEW. Now we'll start the manufacturing process. The pieces move zero, the probes show the sensor, the scale and the classifier is pieces. And LabVIEW reviews this information automatically updates the corresponding counters. As we can the manufacturing cell and LabVIEW interface operating together in real time. For example, in this time is one piece tipo 1, and the count is 1. In another is piece is 3, pieza tipo 3, metallic piece. And now checking the another piece is piece 2. And the count is piece. Now I have all the container y almacén is full and show the on. And for my part is all. This complete unit the practice. Thank you for watching this video and like.